Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of the V7 multifunction foam cleaner. I've done a part 1 where I clean a laptop, and today we're going to be cleaning my work table. As you can see, it's very dirty. Now this foam claims to clean a number of things like your shoes, your vehicle, your kitchen. It's widely known to be used as a surface cleaner as well. So that's what we're going to be doing now. Shake the can for about 10 to 15 seconds before spraying it on your desired surface. And there we've sprayed it. Make sure that you have a microfiber cloth to use it with. It works well with that. Guys, don't forget to please like and subscribe to my channel. So we're also waiting for the foam to soak in. And now we clean the surface with a microfiber cloth. Already you can see that this is taking out a lot of the dirt. It's leaving the surface quite shiny as well, nice and clean. There's no stickiness left behind or any residue. This cleaner definitely cleaned this work table, guys. Definitely recommend it as a surface cleaner.